The human nervous system is an intricate network. It is responsible for receiving, processing, and responding to information. This remarkable system is broadly divided into two parts: the central nervous system, or CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, or PNS. Think of the CNS as the command center. The CNS is comprised of the brain and spinal cord. It receives input from the PNS and in turn sends out instructions. The PNS acts as a messenger. It relays sensory information from the body to the CNS. The PNS then carries out motor commands from the CNS to muscles and glands. This intricate interplay between the CNS and PNS allows us to perceive our surroundings. It also enables us to think, feel, and act. Our focus will be on a specific region within the CNS known as the rhombencephalon, also known as the hindbrain. This area plays a crucial role in regulating vital functions. It also helps coordinate movement. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the rhombencephalon and explore its secrets. During the early stages of embryonic development, the nascent brain undergoes a remarkable transformation. It begins as a simple neural tube. The neural tube further divides into three primary vesicles: the prosencephalon, or forebrain, mesencephalon, or midbrain, and rhombencephalon, or hindbrain. The rhombencephalon, situated at the posterior end of the developing brain, gives rise to crucial structures responsible for vital functions and coordination. As development progresses, the rhombencephalon further differentiates into two prominent subdivisions: the metencephalon and the myelencephalon. Understanding the embryological development of the rhombencephalon provides a foundation for comprehending the complex organization and functions of this brain region. It highlights the interconnectedness of these structures and their roles in maintaining homeostasis and orchestrating movement. The rhombencephalon, or hindbrain, represents an ancient and evolutionarily conserved part of the brain. It is responsible for a myriad of vital functions. These functions include controlling heart rate, breathing, and coordinating movement. Located at the base of the skull, the rhombencephalon connects the brain to the spinal cord, acting as a crucial relay center. This region is further divided into two main subdivisions: the metencephalon and myelencephalon. The metencephalon gives rise to the pons and cerebellum. The myelencephalon forms the medulla oblongata. Each of these structures has distinct functions. They work together to ensure our survival and facilitate smooth, coordinated movements. In the following sections, we'll explore these structures in detail. The medulla oblongata, often referred to as the medulla, is the lowermost portion of the brainstem. This structure is essential for life. The medulla controls vital autonomic functions. These functions include respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, swallowing, and vomiting. Within the medulla lie clusters of neurons called nuclei. These nuclei regulate these crucial processes. The medulla also serves as a passageway for ascending and descending nerve tracts, connecting the brain to the spinal cord. Damage to the medulla oblongata can be life-threatening due to its role in controlling vital functions. Conditions such as stroke or trauma affecting the medulla can lead to respiratory failure, heart rate irregularities, or even death. Section 5. The pons, a bridge between brain regions. Situated above the medulla, the pons acts as a crucial bridge connecting various parts of the brain. The name pons literally translates to bridge in Latin. This aptly describes its role as a relay center. The pons facilitates communication between the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. The pons plays a vital role in sleep, respiration, swallowing, bladder control, hearing, equilibrium, facial expressions, eye movements, and sensory perception from the face. Cranial nerves 5, 6, 7, and 8 emerge from the pons. These nerves are responsible for facial sensation, eye movement, hearing, and balance. The pons' role in modulating respiratory rhythm is crucial. It works in conjunction with the medulla to fine-tune breathing patterns. Damage to the pons can result in a variety of motor and sensory disturbances, including paralysis, loss of sensation, and difficulties with balance and coordination. Section 6. The cerebellum. The graceful conductor of movement. The cerebellum, meaning little brain, is located at the back of the brain, behind the brainstem. While it may be smaller than the cerebrum, it plays an outsized role in our ability to move gracefully and coordinate complex actions. The cerebellum receives sensory information from the spinal cord and other parts of the brain. It uses this information to fine-tune motor commands, ensuring smooth, coordinated movements. This remarkable structure is essential for balance, posture, motor learning, and coordination of voluntary movements. Damage to the cerebellum can result in ataxia, a condition characterized by an unsteady gait, poor coordination, and difficulty with fine motor skills. Think of a tightrope walker's balance and precision. That's the cerebellum at work. Section 7. The isthmus rhombencephaly, a tiny bridge with big implications. The isthmus rhombencephaly is a narrow region located between the pons and the cerebellum. Though small in size, it plays a crucial role in connecting these two important structures. It serves as a conduit for nerve fibers traveling to and from the cerebellum, enabling communication and coordination between these regions. The isthmus rhombencephaly is also home to several important cranial nerve nuclei, including the trochlear nerve, cranial nerve 4, and the trigeminal nerve, cranial nerve 5. These nerves are involved in eye movement, facial sensation, and chewing, respectively. Clinically, lesions or damage to the isthmus rhombencephaly can lead to a variety of symptoms. These symptoms can include weakness or paralysis of facial muscles, loss of sensation in the face, difficulty with eye movements, and problems with balance and coordination. Understanding the anatomical location and connections of the isthmus rhombencephaly is crucial for accurately diagnosing and treating neurological conditions affecting this region. Section 8. Clinical correlations. When the hindbrain falters. The rhombencephalon's role in vital functions makes it particularly vulnerable to injury and disease. Damage to this area can result in a range of debilitating conditions. These conditions include stroke, where disruption of blood flow to the brainstem can lead to a stroke, potentially affecting vital functions like breathing and heart rate. Tumors, where growths within the rhombencephalon can compress surrounding structures, leading to various neurological deficits. Infections such as meningitis and encephalitis, infections of the brain and spinal cord, can impact the rhombencephalon, causing a range of symptoms. And neurodegenerative diseases, conditions like Parkinson's disease and multiple sclerosis, can affect the cerebellum, leading to problems with balance and coordination. Understanding the clinical correlations of rhombencephalon dysfunction is crucial for prompt diagnosis and management of these potentially life-threatening conditions. Section 9. Conclusion: the rhombencephalon's vital symphony. The rhombencephalon, often overshadowed by the cerebrum's cognitive prowess, stands as a testament to the elegance and efficiency of the nervous system. This ancient part of the brain, with its intricate network of interconnected structures, diligently carries out functions essential for life. From regulating our heartbeat and breathing to orchestrating graceful movements, the rhombencephalon works tirelessly behind the scenes, ensuring our survival and enabling us to interact with the world around us. Understanding the anatomy and functions of this vital brain region is not just an academic pursuit, it forms the bedrock for diagnosing and treating a myriad of neurological conditions. As we've journeyed through the rhombencephalon's landscape, from the medulla's life-sustaining rhythm to the cerebellum's dance of coordination, we've gained a newfound appreciation for this often overlooked region. It serves as a powerful reminder that even the seemingly simplest actions rely on a complex interplay of neural circuitry, a symphony conducted by the rhombencephalon. This video, made by Karthikeyan, medical student,